Last night, residents of Madison Park and Canyon witnessed what would be classified as a high-end EF1 tornado. National Weather Service officials named the tornado a high-end EF1 due to its winds being up to 110 miles per hour, which means moderate damage to the area. We have more on how people are cleaning up and more from officials. All of that is first on Fox Tonight. According to the preliminary report from NWS, the tornado in Canyon that hit the Madison Park area was on the ground for 5 minutes. It resulted in roof damage and fence damage, as well as tree damage, and cars were damaged as well. According to the City of Canyon officials, there were an estimated 20 homes with severe weather damage, with the majority of homes located in the Wilford Avenue. The McCormick Road tornado was on the ground for a minute, and the NWS has rated it an EF0 and resulted in minor tree damage and damage to a barn near McCormick Road. Also, according to the NWS, an EF1 tornado touched down near County Road K and FM 1058 in DeSmith County. It caused damage to property near the intersection, including some minor roofing damage and a few snapped trees. Local